Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and click the bell notification para ma-update ka sa ating bagong video. So yan guys, nag-shop na naman ako last night. 20 items, then yung binayaran ko is like $16 yung subtotal ko, but we need to bayad the tax guys. So naging $18 siya guys for 20 items. Not bad guys kasi may 4 tayo na clinics, and then may Downy tayo guys, at saka 4 na item na free. Yan yung ating shampoo at yung ating barbecue sauce. So if you guys interested kung paano ko ginawa, so keep on watching guys. Ito yung sinasabi ko guys, yung regular price niya, yung sales price niya, at ito yung sa buy 5 save 5 na guys. Pag pinili mo siya, 199 na lang. Dapat 5 or mix and match. So may 4 akong coupon dito para sa ating deodorant. Ano yan? $2.19 guys is yan yung regular price. $1.99 is yung sales price. Yung 99 cents yan yung kasama sa mega event savings. So kuha natin siya ng like 49 cents each. Then 4 na speed stick. Again yung kukunin natin guys. Yung ginamit ko is 4 din na coupon. So 4 yung kukunin natin dito. And then 2 coupon yung gagamitin natin kasi buy 1 get 1 free. So yung babayaran lang natin sa 4 is like $1 each lang. Next is sa atin tayong shampoo and conditioner. Yung price niya is $1.99 lang guys. 2 yung kukunin natin. So yung price niya is $3.98. So may coupon tayo na 4 off 2, which means free, at saka may 2 cents pa tayong sukli. So next is yung ating Kleenex tissue. So $4.99 na lang siya. So gagamitan natin siya ngayon ng $1 off 1 na coupon. Isa lang yung gamitin natin guys. So lumalabas na yung babayaran natin is $3.99 na lang. Next is sa atin tayong barbecue sauce na 99 cents na lang yung price, and may coupon tayo na 1 off 1. So free na lang siya. Next is yung ating Downy. $4.99 na lang. Then may coupon tayo na 3 off 1. Yung babayaran lang natin is $1.99 na lang guys. Resipo guys. So lahat ng mga naipakita ko sa inyo kasali doon sa ating mega event savings. So yan, lahat yan is may mga bawas na tigwa $1. Then ito yung ating coupon na ginamit. So ito yung guys, yung tax is $2.71. So almost $3 guys yung binayaran natin sa tax. So lumalabas sa parang $16 lang yung talagang yung total natin items. So ito na lahat yung total items din, yung tax, ito na yung total $18.53. Then yan yung ating coupon, $19.98. Then yung sa store naman guys, store coupon or savings, $31.20. So yung total lahat guys na na-save natin is $51.18. So not bad guys, diba? Nakasave tayo ng $51.18. So mas malaki yung na-save natin kaysa binayad natin na $18.53 lang. So thanks for watching. See you in my next vlog guys. Bye bye.